let's go. Let's go.
Number 9, Scotty Thompson. Number 13, Jamie Alonso. Number 17, CJ Perez. Number 18, Troy Rosario. Number 24, Dwight Ramos. Number 25, Robert Aguilar. Number 28, Kevin Yamal. Number 32, Justin Briley. Number 33, Juan Tamayo. And number 34, Adrian Nieto. The head coach of Ginas, Tim Cole. And ladies